Hello, my name is Miriam Animashao, the Group Managing Director for Oxford International Group Abuja. Thanks for indicating interest in our organization. Oxford International Group is actually a multi-sectoral business conglomerate with interest in agriculture, real estate, oil and gas, technology, banking, healthcare, and so many more. However, we invite investors to partner with us in 3 of our businesses, namely real estate, agriculture, and oil and gas. Under our real estate program, we actually have 2 investment products, which is Build Vest and Mortgage Vest. The Build Vest is targeted as buying more land locations. From one estate location that we started with in Ogun State, now we have about 36 estate locations. And with our over 3,500 marketers, investors are offered 35% returns on investment in 12 months. And then the Mortgage Vest, which is another of our real estate products, is targeted at recapitalizing our mortgage bank. We want to be able to offer the Nigerian populace affordable mortgage facility. Hence, the reason we started the Mortgage Vest products. And we offer investors 48% returns on their investment in 16 months. And then under the agriculture, the 3 value chain products that we trade with is pepper, ginger, and turmeric. We have our farms located in Ayetoro, Ogun State and Ikole, Ekiti. We do not just plant and harvest, we also process. We have our pepper drying machine on our farm and ensure that our harvest meets up with the standard. And our insurance partner for our farm produce is Leadway Assurance. Now, under this program, we offer investors 35% return on their investment in 12 months and 41% in 14 months. Yes, that's how juicy it is. And then we have our 3rd product, which is the oil and gas. We offer investors 70% returns on their investment. Aside from the kerosene, diesel, and petrol, we also deal in cooking gas and renewable energy. That is why we could offer this much. So, you are welcome to partner with us in all of our investment packages. As a security to your investment, you get the post-dated check, which is a sum total of your capital and return on investment, and a deed of agreement, which has a legal seal, and that makes it a legal document. We've been in business for over 4 years. We'll be 5 years by August. We started out in 2016, and we've been growing in leaps and in bounds. Aside from Lagos, where we started from, that has over 20 offices now, we have offices in other 17 states in Nigeria, and we have a presence in Benin Republic and also Rwanda. So we are not local champions. So you're welcome to do business with us. It promises to be a win-win thing and a rewarding relationship. Thank you very much, and do have a blessed